Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Note: it may be necessary to remove the riser assembly to gain access to the graphics card. If necessary, disconnect the auxiliary power cable from the graphics card. On the back of the unit, press the two blue release latches and rotate the PCIe retention clamp until it is fully open. Note: if the graphics card has a support bracket, slide the locking bar on the PCIe card guide to the unlocked position. Press and hold the locking tab on the PCIe slot and partially slide the graphics card out of the PCIe slot. Lift the graphics card straight up and out of the chassis. Important: if you are not replacing the graphics card with another card, cover the open slot in the chassis with a metal slot cover. Replacement. Align the graphics card with the PCIe slot on the system board and insert the graphics card. Press down on the graphics card until the locking tab locks and the graphics card is fully seated. Note: if the graphics card has a support bracket, slide the locking bar on the PCIe card guide to the locked position. Rotate the PCIe retention clamp until it is closed and the two blue release latches snap. If necessary, connect the auxiliary power cable into the graphics card.